how to put your PC Fortnite account on PS5. Google search for Epic Games, click on the first website that pops up. Now we will click on sign in the top right. You want to sign in with your PC's account's credentials. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to check remember and I'm going to sign in. Okay, so now once you have signed into your PC Fortnite account, you want to click on your name in the top right and then go into account. Now here we will be taken to the settings and you want to select linked accounts. And right here you will be able to find PlayStation. I already have it connected, so it appears under the linked account section. So you will need to click on PlayStation here. We're going to pretend like this is it. Then we will click on continue. You will need to sign into your PlayStation Network account, so make sure you know your credentials. And once you sign in from here, then it's going to pop up under linked accounts and you will be able to use your PC Fortnite account on PS5. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.